So everybody, welcome back to another video. So right now I'm here with
hello, how's it going?
Diego and his brother with the red BRZ. A lot of people are asking me if I still have the Alfa Romeo. Yeah guys, I still have it. I haven't done anything to it, so it's still pretty much the same, still stock. And then the special guest, Diego.
Hello, how's it going?
He has a new car, guys. He has the ATS-V. Guys, look, so sick. And then it turns on with his
the key.
With the key, yeah. And there's special about this car. He has the, you said the carbon edition, right? Or
carbon black package.
Carbon black package. So if you guys look closely here, you can see the diffuser, carbon fiber. And it's stock, right?
Stock.
And then you were telling me earlier about the wing, that this one is much higher than...
Yeah, it's 30% bigger than the stock base models.
Yeah, if you guys can see, look. So nice. And then the front end, he's also got the carbon lip. And then carbon hood, right?
Carbon hood as well.
Yeah, it's a nice car. Look at this Bennett too. Carbon fiber. And then his hood, he said, is carbon fiber. You can tell, guys, by the sound. Carbon fiber.
Yes,
this is sick. So tell me more about this car, bro.
Well, it's a 17 Cadillac ATS-V. It's one of the V series cars from 2016 to 2019, as well as with its counterpart, the CTS-V. So this one's a smaller version of it, making it lighter and with a smaller engine, a 3.6 liter V6 twin turbo, making 465 horsepower and 445 foot-pounds of torque. This particular model has the carbon black package, the luxury package, which has the accent lights on the headlights, and the optional Recaro seats.
Guys, imagine these seats on my Alfa Romeo. I was telling Diego that we should just switch seats right now. I got the tools.
Oh yeah.
You down to switch?
I'm done.
This is so nice.
Yeah, really comfortable.
Yeah, and then you can put a harness too, look, guys. So nice. So I'll show you guys more of the inside of his car. Looks so nice. And then it's carbon fiber here too. And then this is Diego's brother with the red BRZ.
Howdy. Still slow.
You forgot to tell my viewers you added some parts for your BRZ, right?
Yeah, I added I added a lip and a side skirt as well. It's like one of those TS body kits. It's just only the lip and side skirts.
Yeah, guys, I saw it earlier. It's dope.
Oh yeah, it's really nice.
And then I'm pretty sure next he's gonna lower the car.
Oh yeah, probably.
Yeah.
I mean, I really want to supercharge it.
It's gonna be sick.
Fast.
Yeah.
Well, maybe we might have a competition with us.
Oh yeah.
But now I'm gonna still be slow.
No, but it's supercharged, bro. If you like put more stuff into it, then it'll be so much faster.
True.
Yeah. Then he's gonna beat my BRZ.
Hello.
as a whole pint. Gucci man, you must be thirsty, cause you can show drink. Niggas say the walk rope must be an illusion. Gucci got the dog rope, that's what the conclusion.
Guys, I just got home. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. And don't forget to follow Diego and his brother. I'm just gonna put their Instagram over here or in the description below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.